Good morning, Steve. How's everything going?
Hey, Lizzie. Good morning. Everything's great, thanks. Just tending to my little garden here. How about you? How's your day been so far?
Oh, it's been busy, but I can't complain. By the way, your garden is looking lovely. I can see those flowers blooming from my window.
Thanks, Lizzie. I've been putting in some effort to make it colorful this year. Speaking of which, have you seen my new rose bush? It finally bloomed.
Oh, I haven't. I'd love to see it.
Here it is. Isn't it beautiful? It took a while, but the wait was worth it.
Absolutely stunning, Steve. The color is so vibrant. You've got a real talent for gardening.
Oh, stop. It's just a hobby, but I enjoy it. By the way, how's your vegetable patch doing? I saw you planting some tomatoes and cucumbers last week.
It's coming along nicely, thanks. The tomatoes are starting to grow, and the cucumbers too. I can't wait to taste them fresh from the garden.
Homegrown veggies are the best. Let me know if you need any gardening tips. I'd be happy to help.
Thanks, Steve. That's very kind of you. I might take you up on that offer.
Oh, and speaking of offers, we're having a little barbecue gathering this weekend. Would you and your family like to join us? It'll be a fun get-together.
That sounds wonderful, Steve. I'll check with my husband, but I'm pretty sure we'd love to be there. Thanks for inviting us.
You're welcome! We'll have some great food and good company. Looking forward to it.
Me too. All right, I'll let you get back to your gardening. See you soon, Steve.
See you, Lizzie. Have a fantastic day.